Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Instagram videos and reels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Instagram videos and reels, simply tap open your Instagram, and once you tap on your Instagram, you can simply search for any of the video or any of the profile from where you want to download your video or reel, or simply go in your search bar or your feed where you can find different kind of contents. So simply scroll down below to the content you want to download, like your video or a reel. Once you have found it, simply tap on the share button. Once you tap on the share or directly forward button, you can simply scroll on the menu bar and find the download option right over there. So once you tap on it, you will be able to download this particular Instagram video or reel. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.